In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Temu not accepting your card with a straightforward and easy method. If you've been struggling with payment issues and seeing that frustrating error message, worry not, because we're about to simplify the solution for you. Let's start by accessing Temu's checkout page. Ensure you're logged into your account, as having the right credentials up and running is crucial. Once you're on the checkout page, where you typically enter your payment information, this is where our focus will begin. The first basic, yet possibly overlooked tip is to double check the card number you've entered. It might sound too simple, but you'd be surprised at how many times a small typo is the culprit. Make sure those numbers match exactly with those on your card. Even one wrong digit can block the transaction from going through, so accuracy here is key. Once you're confident that your card number is perfect, the next step involves verifying your card's expiration month. An expired card won't work, so make sure you're inputting the correct details. Carefully select the right month that corresponds to your card details. Following on from the month, you'll want to take a moment to double check the expiration year. It's vital to ensure both the month and year together correctly reflect the expiration date on your card. Mismatches here can also lead to an error when processing the payment. Next up, let's tackle the CVV number, those last 3 digits typically found at the back of your card. This code is what's used to verify your identity, and so double checking this number is vital. Mistyping can easily happen, especially if you're in a rush, so make sure you enter those numbers correctly. With all these steps done and checked, it's time to submit your order. Navigate back to the checkout interface and look for that Submit Order button. Clicking on this should set the transaction in motion. Keep an eye out for any confirmation message that indicates your payment is being processed. Remember, if you've gone through all these checks and are still encountering issues, there might be an extra layer to consider. Sometimes reaching out to your bank for authorization or clearing any external issues can be helpful. However, by ensuring every detail is correct on your end, you minimize the chances of anything going awry. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help you resolve your payment troubles on Temu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.